Are you looking for a professional and reliable attic cleanup and installation company in California? Do you want to remove all of the dirt, junk, and funk from your attic and have a fresh, healthier air quality inside of your home or place of business? Or perhaps you'll like to replace your old, damaged attic insulation for a brand new, energy-efficient insulation that could save you thousands of dollars a year in energy bills? Then look no further. At Active Termite Pest Control Inc., we have a team of knowledgeable experts ready to tackle your attic and bring it back to its original former glory. We are a fully licensed, family-owned company. We have been offering pest control solutions and attic cleanup and insulation replacement services since 2006. Did you know that having a contaminated, toxic attic in your home could put you and your family's health at risk? If you had a rodent infestation in the past or are currently hearing strange noises and scratching coming from inside of your walls, your attic could potentially be filled with rodent feces, urine, dead carcasses, and mold, which creates harmful fumes and foul odors inside your attic that can eventually spread throughout your entire home or place of business. Even though you can't smell any bad odors, these hazardous toxic fumes and bacteria can cause many ill symptoms such as allergic reactions, asthma attacks, skin irritations, and other serious health problems. At Active Termite Pest Control Inc., we will remove all animal waste droppings, nesting materials, dead carcasses, and everything inside your attic that's creating an unhealthy, unsafe environment for you and your family. We will also sanitize and disinfect rodent urine and pheromones, treat for fleas, ticks, mites, and parasites to make sure your entire attic is clean and decontaminated. To avoid rodents and wildlife from ever coming back into your attic again, we will seal and block any holes and entry points in and outside of your attic. If your attic's insulation is too damaged or depleted, we can remove it and replace it with a brand new energy-efficient insulation, which could save you thousands a year in energy bills. If you'd like to schedule your free attic inspection and get a no-obligation free quote, call us toll-free at 877-577-3787. We look forward to talking with you soon.